Making money with programming offers numerous avenues, catering to various skills, interests, and programming languages. One of the most direct paths is through freelance work. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer provide opportunities to bid on projects that require expertise in languages like JavaScript, Python, and PHP. JavaScript is highly sought after for web development projects, including front-end tasks using frameworks like React.js or Vue.js and back-end development with Node.js. Python, on the other hand, is revered for its versatility and is in demand for web development using Django or Flask, data analysis, and machine learning projects. Another lucrative avenue is mobile app development. With languages like Swift for iOS and Kotlin for Android, developers can create apps for the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. This path not only allows you to monetize apps through sales and in-app purchases, but also through advertisements. If you prefer creating more comprehensive systems, becoming a full-stack developer can be advantageous. Proficiency in both front-end HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and back-end languages Ruby, Java, PHP enables you to build complete web applications, making you highly marketable to startups and established companies alike. For those with a knack for teaching, creating online courses, or writing technical blogs can be both rewarding and profitable. Websites like Udemy and Coursera allow you to create and sell courses on languages like Python, Java, and C. Alternatively, platforms like Medium and Dev.to offer revenue-sharing programs for technical articles, providing an income stream while sharing your expertise. Additionally, open-source contributions can open doors to financial opportunities. Many developers are sponsored by companies to work on open-source projects, and platforms like GitHub offer sponsorships. Knowing languages such as Rust, Go, or even C can be particularly valuable in the open-source community. Lastly, consider entering programming competitions or hackathons. Websites like HackerRank and Codesignal host contests that not only offer cash prizes but also job opportunities. Mastery in algorithms and problem-solving in languages like Java, C, and Python can prove beneficial in these arenas. In conclusion, whether it's through freelance work, app development, full-stack development, teaching, open-source contributions, or competitions, programming offers diverse ways to make money. Mastering languages such as JavaScript, Python, Swift, Kotlin, Ruby, Java, PHP, and C can significantly enhance your marketability and open up various income streams in the tech industry.